fans, so I've been getting these requests to come up with this cookbook for vegan cooking, and I thought I could do that, but I think it would work better if I give you a series of videos where we can discuss different aspects of cooking, vegan cooking, so that we can make sure that you first follow what I'm saying, so you're not trying to figure it out from reading. Second of all, most importantly, that you can see how to mix different foods. We can talk about different kinds of foods. We can talk about vitamin content and other things, minerals and things that you need to get out of the food. We can talk about how to use spices, reducing salt, increasing flavor, especially as it relates to using or borrowing ideas from different cultural positions where different types of spices are used, so that you can choose all the different types of flavors you like in your food, enjoy your food, eat well, stay healthy. The whole idea is to help you make this transition from whatever your diet has been. I don't care if you're on McDonald's or whatever every day. I'm saying to make this transition, doesn't have to be overnight, gradually learning how to cook in a vegan way so that your diet becomes a more plant-based, hopefully completely plant-based diet, which all the research is showing us is the fast track to the best health you can get. So let's get started. Alright fans, today I'm going to show you a very simple little vegetable dish that I like to make. I want to start with this one because a lot of times people say, well, what do I eat? What do I eat? Well, what kind of food do I choose, etc. So I'm going to show you a lot of different combinations of foods we can use in one dish, explain why, and also show you how easy it is to prepare a very, very tasty vegan dish. I swear when you eat it, you'll begin to realize, oh my God, I can be vegan. Let's start today mixed vegetables with the Ethiopian spices. Alright, for example, for this dish we got on this table here, we got cabbage, we got cauliflower, we got Japanese style eggplant today, we got onions, we got broccoli, we got two types of squash, yellow squash, zucchini, we got carrots, and we got mushrooms. So that's going to be our dish today. Notice the different colors. The different colors show what type of vitamins in the food. So when you're eating food and you're mixing your food, you want to have different colors. That makes sure that you get a variety of the vitamins that you need. We're going to take these, we're going to put them in the pan. First I'm going to put a little sugar on the eggplant, and then I'm going to cook the eggplant and I'm going to cook the cauliflower together first, and then we're going to add the rest. Let's see what happens. Alright, I got the eggplant in the pan with the cauliflower. I'm going to put a little sugar on it first, just on the eggplant. The reason why I put a little, this is organic sugar, unfiltered, unchanged, just regular organic sugar. The reason why I put that on there, that is going to take a little bit of the bitterness out of the eggplant. I got a little olive oil in the bottom of the pan. We're going to get that started. Alright. I'm just going to flip these over. See, they turn a little brown, just caramelize a little bit. When the eggplant caramelized a little bit, flip them over. Won't take long. There's one there, one here, one more right there. Gonna cook the other side, and then just gonna move this around a little bit. You see, got a little caramelizing on the cauliflower as well. Alright, now I'm gonna add the other vegetables. I'm going to take a little bit of salt and put on there. Not much. Now we're going to turn that fire back on and get this thing going. And I'm just going to toss it a little bit. So keep tossing it, browning the vegetables down a little bit in the pan. Won't take them long at all. And then in a second I'm going to drop a little bit of water in here for the steam value, so that basically the water will steam the veggies. Just a little bit of water. And there we go. Now, I can turn that off. We're pretty much ready for any type of flavor that I want to add to it. Today I'm going to add a little Ethiopian flavor. Alright. You see this? This is a mixture that we use. It's called a berbere. You can go online. I'll give you a formula for it. And I'll post that up. But this is a certain type of a flavor. It's an Ethiopian mix of spices. And I'm just going to add this to my mix. Turn my fire back on for a second. Mix that up in there. That, my friends, is pretty much all we need. We're ready to go. Now, with this dish, you can choose what type of protein-rich, carbohydrate-rich food you want to add with it. You could use rices, you could use quinoa, you could use buckwheat. There are many varieties of things you could use. Today I'm using black rice. This is Chinese rice. I've already cooked it. It's basically like rice. You buy the rice. It's called black rice or forbidden rice. And you cook it basically 2 parts water to 1 part rice. This rice takes about a good 50 minutes to cook. This rice I have on this plate is already cooked for me. Now I'm just going to add the vegetables that I cooked to it. And this is going to be my hot vegan meal for this evening. Just going to pour that on top of there like that. I like my food a little spicy, so this berbere mix that I have here is pretty hot and spicy. But you don't have to have yours as hot as mine. You don't like hot food. It doesn't have to be hot at all. Although, those hot peppers are very good for you. Alright. That's the dish.